I started Always Big Power Washing Pros, it wasn't just about cleaning houses, it was about building something with purpose. I wanted to take my hard work, my faith, and my belief in service and turn it into a business that makes homes shine again. From siding to driveways, patios to roofs, gutters and windows, I handle it all. Every job is more than just water and pressure. It's about restoring beauty, protecting property, and giving homeowners pride in where they live. Exterior cleaning isn't just cosmetic. It prevents damage, adds value, and saves you money in the long run. At Always Big, I believe in service with purpose because a clean home is a cared for home. Always believe in God. Call me today, click the link, fill out the form, and let me bring the exterior of your home back to life.